Before we begin, please remember that nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Disruptive technologies change the state of doing things. How we live, work, spend, invest, interact, and more. Blockchain, and the associated Web3 concept, are disruptive technologies. They attract controversy and debate, as well as inspire dreams and disillusionment. In this report, we explore some of the key drivers that will take blockchain technology to the next billion users, and potentially trillions of dollars of economic activity. When we recount the tale of how the advent of the automobile accelerated the decline of whip and buggy manufacturers, we frequently wonder why the revolutionary capabilities of gasoline-powered cars weren't recognized at the time. In the contemporary age, the majority of individuals who purchased digital cameras during the 1990s would have dismissed the notion that, within a few years, we'd all be toting cameras within our mobile phones. The concept of tokenization through blockchain has been widely discussed as having transformative potential for the past few years. However, we have not yet reached the stage of widespread adoption. Unlike technologies such as automobiles or more recent innovations like ChatGPT or the metaverse and its virtual environment, people don't realize that blockchain serves as a foundational infrastructure technology without a prominent consumer-facing interface, making it challenging to clearly visualize its innovative potential. Many projects tend to develop during bear markets, and when the bull market returns, the growth potential skyrockets. We believe that there is a project that meets this criteria, and it's XDC. XDC is more than just a contender, it's a sleeping giant waiting to awaken, much like Japan opening up the United States during World War II. The substantial growth is yet to come. But we believe we are approaching an inflection point, where the promised potential of blockchain will be realized and be measured in billions of users and trillions of dollars in value. Successful adoption will be when blockchain has $1 billion+ in value. Successful adoption will be when blockchain has $1 billion+ users, who do not even realize they are using the technology. This is likely to be driven by the adoption of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, by large central banks as well as tokenized assets in gaming and blockchain-based payments on social media. By 2030, up to $5 trillion of CBDCs could be circulating in major economies in the world, half or which could be linked to distributed ledger technology. Tokenization of financial and real-work assets could be the killer use case driving blockchain breakthrough, with tokenization expected to grow by a factor of 80x in private markets and reach up to almost $4 trillion in value by 2030. Let us begin by explaining what XDC is. XDC Network is a Layer 1 blockchain with unique features, particularly tailored for trade finance. This niche focus addresses a significant problem, as trade finance typically favors larger enterprises. XDC's goal is to revolutionize this sector. Notably, a report by Citibank involving key figures in the crypto space indicates that tokenization, especially in areas like real estate, funds, private equity, venture capital, and trade finance, is on the rise. Their estimates suggest a tokenization market potentially reaching $5 trillion by 2025 or even more by 2030. XDC is well positioned to capitalize on this opportunity. Recently, a project called Trade Tech, built on the XDC network, launched a US Treasury Bond Exchange Traded Fund, ETF. This ETF, known as USD, provides exposure to a portfolio of short-term US Treasury bonds with maturities between 0 and 1 year. While this might not offer astronomical returns, it's a secure and stable investment managed by BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers, and administered by State Street. This ETF opens doors to larger financial networks and could pave the way for future developments. In essence, XDC is a smaller project compared to its competitors but possesses unique strengths. its partnership with Empower and its potential in the R3 Corda ecosystem, which includes major players like HSBC, ING, Citigroup, Commonwealth Bank, Oracle, Microsoft, and MasterCard, adds to its credibility. XDC's significance lies in being a bridge to the expanding world of asset tokenization, where it stands out as a formidable player in both Web 2 and Web 3 domains. The future looks promising, and investors today might reap substantial rewards as this tokenization trend continues to evolve. In conclusion, the future appears incredibly promising for XDC, a project with substantial potential in the rapidly growing world of asset tokenization. As global markets continue to embrace blockchain technology, XDC's unique focus on trade finance and its strategic partnerships position it as a frontrunner in this space. Whether this transformation occurs by 2025 or 2030, early investors might find themselves well rewarded for recognizing the untapped potential of this project. So, keep a close eye on XDC, it could be the key to unlocking exciting opportunities in the crypto market.